This is Vinyasa, our floating home that we, as the name suggests, mindfully try to move through life on from one place to the next. Now with a new crew member, our little girl Millie Breeze, we aim to live simply with less stuff and hassle while working, exploring, and dreaming. I'm Therese, and this is Cody. Subscribe and join in on our life's journey with the world at our keel.
I'm chasing this cable, make sure it ain't hinged or something weird. I think we're right. I think it is that corrosion. Oh, release the secret spot.
It's your cozy.
I think I inhaled PB Blaster more than I would need to inhale. Read the back of the label. Tell me if that's okay to do. Elsa's pissed at us for leaving her so long. She don't want to get off the dock. She's a landlubber.
Well, breathing hazard. Use only in a well-ventilated area.
I don't think that was possible.
Do not breathe vapor or spray. I don't know, dude.
Pretty sure.
You're still alive, right?
PB Blaster. Therese, those Carter clips. Never mind. I managed to get it in because I'm so good. Dad,
Do you want me to do that
I'm still
part?
on the phone with you. Please don't talk to birds.
So is it ceased in the cable?
Yeah, up at the shifter.
Okay.
This had nothing to do with it. This is... All right, shift it now. Oh,
Whoa, hallelujah.
good. Good. Back to neutral. Keep it in neutral. Cool. That's good. The cable got stuck and I went into frantic mode because we were on the loading dock.
And we forgot
Alfred's
basically
food.
Alfred's food.
You know, I almost just said keep it.
Yankee, here we go.
With Alfred's fuel tank back on board, we had never been more ready to cruise down a river with a working shifter running the engine on a wind on the nose kind of day. Finally, we were back in the water, and even though we had projects left to get done, at least they were above water level, and we had a few months to get through them. Halfway down the river, I had packed all the food away from the grocery run Cody had done while returning the car in the morning and hoisted the headsail just to feel like we had a boat that looked like it would be able to sail. The mainsail was hoisted the night before, but due to frustration and stress from my end about getting everything ready, it wasn't filmed. And it was probably for the best, as I was too tired to acknowledge that the in-mast furling line was all the way out on our first attempt, resulting in having to take it down and do it all again, much to our super hoister, Cody's dad's, light frustration as well. Either way, we were headed somewhere, and that was all that mattered at this point.
Dodging logs.
On our way down Connecticut River. And it is how much wind and where it is?
Well, I think it's 15 knots. It's straight on the nose, but we get sections, I don't know, 18 knots. parent.
Cody's parents had been with us for 10 days now, and while they had a few left, we all wanted to make the most out of the time still left in this visit. As we were heading down the river, admiring all the mansions and houses along the way, imagining which ones to move Cody's parents into, we were met by beautiful scenery and calm water. And even though we had to motor the whole way, even crossing the Long Island Sound felt like freedom. The reason we had to head straight to Sag Harbor was for Cody's work, so even though he would be working almost every night, at least we could be on board and not in the yard.
Thought that was fun. I think it's your watch. I think you're on watch. See the waves, honey? Huh? You watching the waves? See them?
I'm tired. I'm not gonna work on this boat tomorrow at all.
What about your hair? Are you gonna work
I'm sure it looks, well, I took it, I scrubbed off the boatyard before we left, so I'm sure it looks pretty frillish.
A little bit, froish.
Is it frillish?
A little bit.
And I've been in blowing wind all day.
That's true.
So
You have been.
you guys been curled up behind this,
In blankets.
our nice little Dodger here and everything, and I've just been eating it. Oh yeah, by the way, that's why there's no sailing. We're directly into the wind and we have to get there today. Otherwise, I would have sailed.
I know. What happened right when we were leaving?
Oh, you and your...
Don't blame me for that.
The only thing I didn't check on this boat was if it shifted into gear while we were on the hard. Or last night when we dropped in the water. But, and guess what was it was seized up is what it was. So there's like two plates that can, there's one that shifts the throttle and then there's one that shifts the transmission or puts the boat in gear. And then there's like this little lever that can come across and meet these two plates. So that way you can either push a button and it separates, and this one can just work your throttle cable, which will let you just rev it, I guess, and without putting it into gear to just keep the RPMs up to charge batteries or whatnot. And then you have where it connects to the transmission. Well, it was like locked out and was not grabbing at all, and there's just no space, and was able to at least get it free.
You were able to fix it.
Which was good because we were sitting on the dock and they're trying to drop another boat and they're like, "Are you guys leaving?" And we're like,
Because we got to, the reason we were on that dock is we got to stay the night at the working dock.
Yeah, because we were the last to go in the water.
We were leaving in the morning, but then we spent 2 hours fixing this. There's always one thing
Yeah,
when you
always.
leave.
But
Alright,
we made it.
we made it. And not a single video of me the whole way, even though I hoisted the headsail by myself underway.
You need a
No
shower.
one even filmed it.
Ew.
No one even filmed it.
Ugh.
I look horrible.
I didn't say that. I just said you might smell a little
I look
off.
horrible. I see it in your glasses.
Old.
Oh, but kiss me now. Kiss me now.
I haven't brushed my teeth in a few hours.
You ready to go? Your first thing you ride? The point of no return, at least for the 3 of us. Unfortunately, Cody's parents had to get ready to leave, and we had to prepare for a summer without grandparents. There was a lot of firsts to be experienced, and a few obstacles to overcome, but this was it. No more priceless help and attention all day. People might call her spoiled, but I would honestly call her lucky. Every little kid would be lucky to spend this much precious time with a whole family of love and care.
Don't. It's okay. We'll see him soon.
We'll see them soon. I'm sure they'll be back, and then we'll fly out and see them. How about that?
Yeah, and we'll try to give you the same amount of attention, but
What are we gonna do now? Who's gonna make you laugh? Who's gonna make you laugh?
are you sad, honey?
You had grandparents around you your entire life.
It's okay.